Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of budgeting with the YNAB app, short for You Need a Budget, you're making a smart move towards financial freedom. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to assign money to your categories in a simple, step-by-step way. This feature is key because YNAB is all about giving every dollar a job, helping you avoid overspending and stay on track. First, open the YNAB app on your phone or computer and log into your account. You'll see your budget dashboard, which is like your financial command center. At the top, look for the To Be Budgeted section. This shows how much money you have available to assign. Next, scroll through your categories. These could be things like groceries, rent, or entertainment. Tap or click on the category you want to fund. YNAB will display how much is already budgeted and how much more you can add based on your available funds. Now, enter the amount you want to assign. For example, if you have $500 to budget and your groceries category needs $200, just type that in. YNAB will automatically deduct it from your To Be Budgeted total and add it to the category. It's that straightforward. One quick tip. If you're assigning money after receiving income, make sure to record that inflow first so it appears in your available funds. This keeps everything accurate and prevents any surprises. Once you're done, YNAB saves your changes instantly, updating your budget in real time. You'll get a clear view of where your money is going, which is empowering. And there you have it. Assigning money in YNAB is easy and helps you build better financial habits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep conquering our budgets together.